Hi friends, this is Kelly with Cleanly Consumed, and I'm also a Young Living distributor. And today I wanted to tackle the question of how do we handle sleep and sleep promotion in our house. So it's summer, we're a little bit off schedule, and sometimes we have a hard time winding down. Recently, I think I went in there 10 times before it clicked and reminded myself, why am I not using my diffuser or my essential oils? So I put in my go-to blend for sleep promotion, which is orange, cedarwood, and lavender. And the next morning my son said, did you put sleeping potion in that diffuser? Because as soon as you left, we were out. So it's just a reminder that I should have used that initially. So these are the 3 oil blends that I like to use, and some other steps that I like to use for sleep promotion are an Epsom salt bath at night, and I'll put a mason jar full of Epsom salts in a jar, and then I'll put 10 drops of essential oils, and I'll shake it, leave it till the next day, and use maybe 3/4 of that, and then fill it back up with salts, because the essential oil from the day before will still infuse the rest of the salts. So an Epsom salt bath is another thing that you can do, of course listening to music. And the diffuser, this is the new Desert diffuser from Young Living, and it changes colors. There's a candle feature. There's also a host of other sleep supportive essential oils you can use, but this I know works and works for our family, so these are the things that I use. Also, maybe having a little bit of protein before you go to sleep, like a spoonful of nut butter, whatever works for you. I got that tip from a dietitian, and it seems to work for my kids too if I give them a little piece of protein before they go to bed. So I hope these tips help, and if you have any questions, as always, let me know and I'll do a video for you. Bye, thanks so much.